Hey everybody, it's All About Vehicles here, and today I'll be showing you your Real Estate Whispers cup, which I just got in the mail today. So stay tuned, and here we go. Now, I love the cup. I've seen it. I haven't opened it yet, but I do have this whole kerfuffle. So let me get this out. So there's the cup. Right? No, which way? Oh, there you go. Your Real Estate Whispers cup. Go subscribe to her at Your Real Estate Whisper, also known as Rude Crew. Well, I'm part of Rude Crew. So go subscribe. Great lady for all your real estate needs. I won Monopoly Trivia Night on Thursdays. Not this Thursday, past Thursday. So it was actually September the 6th. So go subscribe to her. I love the cup. I'm about to put it to use. So please go subscribe to her. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night, and bye. And go subscribe to Your Real Estate Whisper. Go follow her on Instagram, and go follow her on Facebook, and go follow her. Her name's Christina Smallhorn, so you can see her on Facebook under that Christina with a K, Christina Smallhorn. So go follow Your Real Estate Whisper, and go subscribe on Instagram. Well, go follow on Instagram and YouTube. Talk to you guys later, and bye.